Imagine this scenario. You're wearing a fantastic pair of boots and a great pair of jeans, but when you glance in the mirror, something just isn't quite right. You can't quite pinpoint it, yet there's a nagging feeling that the look is off. Well, I'm here to clarify exactly what that issue is. More often than not, it stems from one of 6 common errors that countless men over 40 frequently make with this particular clothing combination. Here's the encouraging news. Once you recognize these pitfalls, they're considerably simpler to correct than you might expect. We're not talking about purchasing an entirely new wardrobe or spending extra cash. Instead, we'll focus on minor tweaks in how things fit, the colors you choose, and the overall balance that can completely transform your appearance. By the conclusion of this video, you'll possess a straightforward methodology you can implement every time you get dressed. No more guesswork, no more second-guessing your reflection. So, if you're eager to master this outfit effortlessly, stay with me. Let's dive in. Common error number 1, ill-fitting jeans. Our first common error is wearing jeans that simply don't fit well. If your denim is currently bunching around your footwear, you're immediately diminishing your perceived height by several inches. Allow me to elaborate. The most significant misstep with jeans involves either wearing them excessively baggy or far too tight. Now listen, if you've been sporting the same relaxed fit style for the last decade or more, I need to be honest with you. Those jeans are no longer doing you any favors. All that excess material gathering around your boots creates an undefined silhouette. Your legs appear shorter. You add visual bulk where you don't want it, and the entire ensemble feels dated. However, super skinny jeans aren't the right solution either. When your denim is too snug and your boots are quite substantial, your proportions become imbalanced. It looks forced rather than natural. What you should aim for is a slim, straight cut. This is your ideal sweet spot. It offers ample comfort while being sufficiently tailored to look contemporary. The jean gracefully follows the contour of your leg without constricting it. When paired with boots, everything settles into place effortlessly. No unsightly bunching, no pulling, just smooth, clean lines. That's the initial fix, and honestly, it might be the most crucial one, because once you achieve the correct fit, every other aspect becomes much simpler. Common error number 2, overly distressed denim. The second misstep is selecting jeans with too much distressing. Here's a revelation most men overlook. Heavily distressed denim can actually make you appear a decade older. Let me illustrate why. This mistake involves going overboard with the distressed elements, ripped knees, excessive fading, or artificial wear patterns. The reality is, once you're past 40, these types of jeans rarely achieve the desired effect. Instead of appearing current, they frequently convey a sense of trying too hard. Furthermore, when you're wearing quality boots, perhaps made of fine leather or suede, busy denim competes for attention instead of complementing your footwear. The smarter approach? Keep your jeans understated. Dark wash denim in shades of indigo or charcoal provides a clean canvas. It pairs with virtually everything, matches easily with any boot style, and always looks appropriate. Now, if you appreciate a touch of character in your denim, that's perfectly acceptable. Subtle fading or premium raw denim can add texture without appearing overdone. But the heavy distressing and artificial rips, those tend to work against you rather than help. Simplicity is key here. Let your boots truly make the statement. So, which option more closely resembles your current jeans? The distressed pair or the clean dark wash? Be honest with yourself. Common error number 3, incorrect jean length. Our third mistake involves getting the length wrong. This single detail has the power to make you look either taller and more refined, or shorter and untidy. Here's what I mean. The third pitfall is misjudging the length of your jeans when wearing boots. When jeans are excessively long, they accumulate around your ankles, creating an unattractive cascade of fabric. This visually shortens your legs and makes everything appear disorganized. Conversely, if they're too short, you're left with that awkward gap, revealing too much of the boot shaft. Neither outcome looks intentional. Your objective is straightforward. Your jeans should ideally just meet the top of your boot, not completely covering it, not exposing too much, but simply touching it. This creates a continuous line that elongates your legs and ensures a more cohesive overall appearance. Here's a highly effective technique, a subtle cuff. Rather than hemming to an exact boot height, roll your jeans up once or twice. This showcases just a hint of the boot shaft, adds a touch of visual interest, and appears deliberately styled. Just ensure it's neat and even. And if your jeans require hemming, don't hesitate. It's a minor alteration that yields a major impact every time you wear them. Now here's an interesting point. I can help you resolve all three of those jean-related issues in less than 5 minutes. But the boot-specific errors, those are what distinguish the men who look good from those who look truly exceptional. That's our next topic. Stay with me, because our fourth mistake is one that nearly everyone misunderstands. Common error number 4, selecting the wrong boot style. Mistake number 4, choosing the wrong boot style. The first boot-related error is opting for a style that doesn't harmonize with the inherently casual nature of jeans. Some men lean too formal, think super polished Chelsea boots that seem more appropriate for dress trousers. With denim, this creates mismatch. It just feels off. Others swing in the opposite direction, selecting heavy combat boots adorned with excessive hardware or chunky statement boots clearly designed for a younger demographic. After 40, these styles often come across as trying too hard. What works better? Classic boot styles that have stood the test of time for many decades. Chukka boots are a perfect illustration. They offer a relaxed yet refined aesthetic. A brown suede chukka, for instance, pairs beautifully with dark wash jeans. Chelsea boots also work splendidly, but gravitate towards suede rather than extremely shiny leather. Cap-toe lace-up boots provide structure without being overly dressy. The unifying theme? Timelessness. You want boots that are meticulously crafted, comfortable, and built to endure. Avoid trendy details or excessive embellishments. Focus on quality construction and classic design. Common error number 5, unbalanced proportions. Our fifth mistake, failing to balance proportions. The second error concerning boots involves not matching your boot's proportions to your jeans fit. If you're wearing a chunky work boot with slim jeans, the proportions will be unbalanced. Your boots will appear oversized, and your legs will look too slender, making the entire outfit feel awkward. The same applies in reverse. A sleek Chelsea boot paired with looser jeans creates gaps and looks disconnected. Here's the straightforward guideline. Align your boot shaft width with your jean opening. For slim straight jeans, you'll want boots with a medium shaft. Chelsea boots and chukkas are ideal here. They possess sufficient presence without overpowering the denim. If you're wearing slightly wider jeans, you can opt for a chunkier boot. Work boots or lace-ups with thicker soles will fit better proportionally. When you achieve this balance, everything flows together naturally. Your jeans will rest on or just slightly over the boot without bunching or gaping. That's the visual harmony you're striving for. Quick question. Are you currently making any of these errors? Leave a comment and let me know which one resonated most with you. I'm genuinely interested. Common error number 6, poor color coordination. Mistake number 6, poor color coordination. A rapid reality check. If you've chosen the right jeans and the right boots, but the colors clash, you're only halfway there. This final error is what truly brings the entire look together. The third boot-related mistake is poor color coordination between your jeans and your boots. Let me demonstrate what doesn't work. An all-black ensemble, black jeans with black boots, creates a singular, flat shape devoid of definition. Light jeans with light boots can wash you out and lack essential contrast. And attempting to match everything perfectly often just looks uninspired. What you desire is subtle contrast, not overly dramatic, but enough to generate visual appeal. Here are the combinations that are unfailingly successful. Classic dark blue jeans with rich brown or cognac boots. This combination is as timeless as it gets. The warm brown beautifully complements the cool blue, making it suitable for almost any casual occasion. Charcoal or gray jeans with black boots offer a modern and sharp aesthetic. The gray provides just enough contrast, while maintaining a sophisticated overall feel. Black jeans with dark brown or gray boots introduce depth and dimension, preventing a monochrome, flat appearance. One final detail that harmonizes the entire outfit. Your belt should correspond with your boots in terms of color family. Brown boots, brown belt. Black boots, black belt. It's a small element, but it unifies your complete look. Alright, those are the 6 mistakes. Now this is where it becomes truly valuable. I understand this is a lot of information, but stay with me for this next section because I'm going to provide you with a straightforward system that makes all of this effortless. Once you grasp this, you'll never again second-guess your boot and jean combinations. Formula number 1. Define your personal style. Our first formula. Define your style direction. Before we delve into the specific methods, let's discuss a vital point. Your personal style orientation. Because after 40, dressing well isn't about chasing fleeting trends or imitating what you see online. It's about discovering what genuinely suits your everyday life. Let me guide you through 3 effective approaches for men our age, so you can determine which one feels authentic to you. First is classic casual. This caters to men who appreciate enduring traditional style. You're pairing polo shirts or Oxford button-downs with dark wash jeans and smooth leather boots, perhaps cap-toe boots in a rich brown leather. This works wonderfully for relaxed weekend dinners, smart casual professional settings, or any occasion where you want to appear well put together without being overly formal. It's dependable, adaptable, and always looks appropriate. The second option is smart casual. This represents a step up in sophistication. You'll be layering a lightweight blazer or sport coat over your jeans, complemented by sleek boots like suede Chelsea boots in dark brown. This strategy is excellent for dates, social gatherings, or business casual environments. It demonstrates an understanding of how to dress for the occasion without appearing overdressed. The third direction is urban active. This approach is more relaxed and practical. You might wear a denim jacket or a field jacket with medium wash jeans and textured boots, such as suede chukkas. It's ideal for daily life, running errands, meeting friends, or traveling. It prioritizes comfort and functionality, but still maintains a clear sense of purpose. The crucial takeaway is choosing what truly fits your life. Don't dress for someone else's lifestyle. Select what feels genuine to you, because that's when you project the most confidence. Formula number 2. Implement the 3C framework: color, cut, character. Formula number 2. Apply the 3C framework. Now, allow me to present the framework I promised. This is what simplifies everything. I refer to it as the 3C formula, representing color, cut, and character. Let's begin with color. At our stage of life, constructing your wardrobe around specific foundational colors simply makes good sense. Think earth tones, navy, charcoal, and gray. These colors integrate seamlessly. They are appropriate for virtually any situation, and they are timeless. When your basic garments are built upon this palette, getting dressed becomes effortless. A quick illustration: dark indigo jeans with tan brown boots. Looks fantastic, requires zero mental effort. That's the power of establishing your color foundation correctly. The second C is cut, which essentially means fit. And I cannot emphasize this enough. Fit is paramount, more important than anything else. You can own affordable clothing that fits flawlessly, and you'll present a better image than someone wearing expensive attire that doesn't fit properly. For jeans with boots, you want that slim, straight cut we discussed earlier. The jean follows your leg without clinging. Your boots balance proportionally with your jean opening. When the fit is precisely dialed in, every other element falls into place. The third C is character or authenticity. Your outfit should genuinely reflect who you are, not who you believe you ought to be. If you lean towards a more traditional demeanor, embrace that. Opt for polished leather boots and structured jeans. If you're more relaxed and creatively inclined, that works equally well. Suede boots, subtle layering, that's your style. The essence is being authentic, because at this juncture in life, authenticity is what truly sets you apart. When your attire aligns with your true self, people perceive that confidence. It's magnetic. When color, cut, and character are all harmoniously aligned, you no longer have to overthink your outfits. They just work. Formula number 3. Master the finishing touches. Formula number 3. Master the finishing details. Before we conclude, let's discuss the final touches. Because for those over 40, style is less about grand statements and more about the subtle intricacies that convey competence. First detail. Your belt should always complement your boots within the same color family. Brown boots, brown belt. Black boots, black belt. This skillfully unifies your entire ensemble. Second, if you're cuffing your jeans, ensure it's clean and deliberate. 1 or 2 neat rolls, never sloppy. Third, consider a quality timepiece or a simple leather bracelet that coordinates with your boot color. This connects your accessories without overdoing it. What you absolutely want to avoid is accumulating too many accessories. 1 or 2 pieces at most. The objective is refinement, not excessive decoration. Simple and intentional always triumphs over busy and complicated. And ultimately, it all comes down to this. When your jeans and boots genuinely embody who you are, that's true confidence. And that's what people truly notice. Recap: the 6 mistakes and the system for success. Alright, here's a summary of what we've covered today. 6 common errors: incorrect jean fit, excessive distressing, improper length, unsuitable boot style, poor proportions, and mismatched colors. The solutions are straightforward. Slim straight jeans in dark washes, classic boot styles, balanced proportions, and thoughtful color contrast. And most importantly, the 3-part system. Identify your style direction, apply the 3C framework, and master the finishing details. When you adhere to this system, getting dressed transforms into an effortless experience. The bottom line is that at this stage of life, great style isn't about chasing trends. It's about understanding what complements your physique, your lifestyle, and your individual personality. Then, applying those principles consistently. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 6 mistakes were you perhaps making? And what's your preferred boot and jean combination that consistently works for you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one, and I genuinely value your perspective. And always remember, you're never truly dressed until you feel completely like yourself. Thanks for watching.